दाव पे लगी है आज आन बान और शान। दोनों टीमें आमने सामने खड़ी हैं अपना सीना तान। Yes, the toss did take place and Dinesh Karthik, the captain of Tamil Nadu, winning that toss, and he has elected to field first.
This is what these two sides are playing for. It's a new day today. 120 games, a strike rate of 139, and that strike rate can actually demolish the opposition bowlers. And if KL Rahul gives the bowlers a breather, wait for this young player with a best of 122 to his name, 105 50s in the form of Ravichandran Ashwin. Throw the ball to him.
Run straight away, races to the fence. That will run to the fence. It's a wide, the extra delivery over the mid-off fielder. That's the class of KL Rahul. And that is why the strike rate is 174. Up and over. That's outside the arena. 33 without loss. After 4. This time it's KL Rahul. Result is just the same. Straight to the long on fielder. Wicket number 1 for Tamil Nadu. And it's a big wicket of KL Rahul.
It's the big boys play here. KL Rahul, first ball, takes Ashwin to the maximum. KL Rahul, bat twisting in his hand, gone for 22, 39 for 1.
Mayank Agarwal walks to the centre. Wicket number 2! It's all happening here in Surat. Ashwin is the man for Tamil Nadu.
Karnataka 39 for 2.
And it's got the Karnataka captain in the middle, Manish Pandey, averaging above 30, a strike rate of 124. And what a shot has Padikkal played here. Unbelievable. Come on, young man. Your team needs more from you here.
Oh, hits it high. Man coming under it. The rope is near him. It goes just over him. Hits it hard. Hits it in the gap as well. So 10 coming of the last 2 deliveries from Washington Sundar.
Ow!
Oh, nicely played. Nicely played by the left-hander. He'll have to give up the chase.
Goes for the big one. And that's gone high and handsome. Over the side screen. Maximum. It's gone a huge distance.
Oh, hits it hard again. And it's a 4 as well. So putting the pressure back on Tamil Nadu. Hits it hard. Hits it in the gap. In fact, it is over the boundary rope. Oh, bowled him. He stays leg side of the ball, exposes his off stump, and Washington Sundar, he's pumped up. He picks up his first wicket, and it's a big one. Devdutt Padikkal gone.
Devdutt Padikkal has batted so well in the tournament, out for 32, getting a start, 87 for 3 Karnataka.
It will be a test for Karnataka's middle order now. Rohan Kadam comes in.
Shot over the fielder. There isn't a protection in the deep. Manish Pandey will pick up a boundary. And this time he gets it over the mid-on fielder. That fielder was stationed specifically for this shot. Top shot. That'll be a boundary for Rohan Kadam.
Might pick another 4 here. Yes, he does.
Hits it hard, hits it in the gap. It will run to the boundary. Oh, hits it out again. Again in the gap.
Oh, inside edge onto pad. 3 boundaries in a row now. Manish Pandey gets to a 50 here. It's been a captain's knock from the skipper of Karnataka.
This is terrific to see. Manish Pandey raising his bat to the crowd, to his teammates. A big applause. They know the importance of this innings.
High up in the bat. It's gone a mile up in the air and it's taken. This partnership has been broken. Natarajan is safe as a house.
Oh, that's a good catch. Two players were coming under it. Judged to perfection. Rohan Kadam gone after playing a good knock of 35, 152 for Karnataka.
Strike rate of 131, a couple of hundreds for him in this format. He's found the gap, races to the fence.
Oh, nice shot, nice shot. It is in the gap, will get us boundary.
Yes, they can. That's the reply from Karun Nair. Fielder there, it will stay at 180. Natarajan is the fielder yet again, and 20 overs gone. Karnataka 180 for 5.
This is good comeback from Murugan Ashwin. Bowls wide outside off stump, his leg spinners. Karun Nair, he just goes for it. He had no choice, no option. Skies one in the air and Natarajan making no mistake. If they have to win the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, 181 is the score. Nevertheless, Manish Pandey played a spectacular knock of 60 of 45. 22 to KL Rahul, who was looking good. Ashwin bowled a fantastic spell.
It's all up to these two. How do they start? Because Tamil Nadu requires 181 runs to bag this trophy. In the red ball cricket as well from him, he's an all-round player, and the person who will be alongside him at the other end will be Nishant. Ronak More. They had a bottom edge on it. Nothing much that the keeper could do there. Runs away to the boundary.
Finally, a clean strike, gets a boundary. Boundary, that's a boundary, that's more like it.
4 more, doesn't matter. If it's not front of the wicket, it can be still at behind the keeper.
Might get another 4. This was beautifully struck. Left-hander's grace, left-hander's elegance.
High in the air, there's a fielder getting under it. And that to the captain, who doesn't drop many. Manish Pandey will be a happy man, seeing the back of the left-hander Nishant.
It's a big final. The first wicket down, Tamil Nadu 26 for 1. Hari Nishant gone for 14.
Washington Sundar walking in at number 3. Up and over. A little change in line for Kaushik, and that's all that Shah Rukh Khan needed.
Had to chase down. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! What a start! Outstanding shot on the up. Struck it really well. We'll have to see if it goes to hand. It does go to hand. Wicket. Suchit the fielder. Safe pair of hands. Shreyas Gopal one more time, giving Karnataka a breakthrough. Has done it over the years. Has done it one more time this day. Big final. Shah Rukh Khan missing out.
He departs for 16. Tamil Nadu 37 for 2. That's what the captain has decided. Dinesh Karthik.
Up and over. Boundary.
Trying to keep it simple. Dinesh Karthik hits it firmly in the gap. This is a well-controlled shot. Oh, 4 more, 4 more. You don't bowl short to Dinesh Karthik. Hits it hard, hits it in the gap as well.
Yeah!
Oh, stumped him! Stumped him! This is a big one. Suchit tossing the ball up, inviting Dinesh Karthik to drive that one. He fails to do that.
Still 105 to win, and Dinesh Karthik has left the field after contributing 20.
Baba Prajit has come to replace the skipper. Bowled him! That's a big one. Big wicket. Washington Sundar follows his captain in the dressing room.
Washington Sundar departs for 24. It's 80 for 4 Tamil Nadu.
Vijay Shankar has come to the crease. I like it. I like it. Oh, nicely hit. Nicely hit. will get a boundary.
That's played well, really well. Precision there. Shorter than delivery. That's pulled away. And that's a majestic shot. Upish. Tough for the bowler. Nicely played. Just opening the bat face. Intelligent batting there.
Oh, nicely played. This will race to the boundary as well. Baba Prajit this time. Just opening the face of the bat.
Wow! That's gone. Brings up the 50-run partnership for the 5th wicket. Maximum. That's gone over the ropes. Fielder in the deep. It's the captain. And they've broken the partnership.
Just not in the meat of the bat. A little high onto the bat for Aprajit. And that was enough for the captain. Aprajit gone for 25. Tamil Nadu 151 for 5.
Out walks Ravichandran Ashwin. Boundary. Lucky there, Ravichandran Ashwin. There he gets it. That's the boundary we were talking about. Boundary to start the over. The heat is on. That's in the air. And it's going to go to the fence. 8 or 2. Just get a one here. Oh, run out. That's the last thing you want. Run out means the new batsman is going to be on strike. You don't take that risk from Manish Pandey.
Gets in a wonderful throw to the keeper, KL Rahul. Gone for 44. Tamil Nadu 6 down for 178.
Murugan Ashwin is walking to the centre. Karnataka is going to win this game. Yes, they have. What a game of cricket we have witnessed here. And Karnataka are the worthy winners. Zamana humse hai. Zamane se hum nahi. Well, that's what panned out here in the final. Karnataka 180 for 5 in the 20 overs, half century by the captain Manish Pandey. And Tamil Nadu came in so very close. 179 for 6 in the 20 overs. Well, the last over bowled by Gautam, and that probably made all the difference. Karnataka winning this game by a margin of 1 run. What a wonderful moment here for this amazing team. A team that this has been Karnataka. The only team in the history of Mushtaq Ali to win back-to-back tournaments defended the title here, Karnataka. Worthy winners of this edition of the Paytm Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy.
आपको लगेगा कि आपसे पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही, तब क्या करो? कोई अच्छी किताब पढ़ो, कोई मूवी देखो, YouTube पे किसी टीचर्स का लेक्चर सुनो. जब आपको लगे कि पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही, हफ्ते में एक रोज जरूर लगेगा कि अब हमसे नहीं हो. उस समय का यूज करना है, किताबें पढ़नी, बात करनी है. धीरे धीरे आपको खुद मोटिवेशन आएगा.
घेरीलाल जी जो 7वीं बार खड़े